This is Mike at Astro Apostle. 3 telescopes. 2 refractors. 1 Maxitov Cassegrain. Still getting used to setup and imaging plan. I don't really use them for observation, although the Maxitov, I'm going to take the camera off of it and go back to eyepiece. It's on the Ioptron Gym 28. I have the SVBONY SV550 on AM5N with the Pier and TC40 tripod. I have the SVBONY SV555 on Huawei 17 with the TC40 tripod. And I just set up the SV550, so I'm going to test to make sure that my cable doesn't get tangled or anything. I don't post images right now because I'm not really good at processing. I haven't got the processing down, but I'm working on it. I hope to be able to at least put some shots up. I've only been in it for 1.5 years, kind of senior in my age, getting used to the night sky, currently looking north. So we're going to see just how good I am with the setup tonight if I have a clear sky. Again, I have ZWO 2600 Air with the EAF, and we're just going to see. I wished I had waited to get the AM7 mount. Kind of got burned on that one, but we're going to see exactly what how well I do. So again, wish me luck and keep the comments, the likes coming. If you haven't subscribed, please help me support the channel with your subscribing, and clear skies.